Alright guys, in today's video we're basically just gonna be building the fastest Civic that we can, and we're gonna aim for it to beat the Koenigsegg Regera. Alright guys, let's head to the dealership. Alright guys, we're at the dealership right now. Let's enter. Okay, let's see, where is the Civic? Which Civic should we do? Should we do the 2000 Civic or the new one? You know what they say, old is gold, but new is just better. We're gonna do the new Civic. I want to drive now. Alright guys, next destination, we're gonna go to the tune-up shop, and we're basically just gonna purchase the level 16 starter pack. Alright guys, this is literally the max I could go. I had all outlaws, and this is, as you can see, this is the top off levels that I could reach. Anyways, let's test this car out. But as you see, just from the numbers alone, it is near the Supercar. It is near the Koenigsegg territory. Koenigsegg Regera is technically a hypercar, so it's definitely competing against that. Not in terms of horsepower, but in terms of like 0 to 60 and quarter mile. I think it's right next to it. Alright, anyways, we're just gonna head back to the garage now, and we're gonna compare the levels with the Koenigsegg. Alright guys, see you at the garage. Alright guys, what's up? Alright, we just made it back to the garage. Had a little time to test the car. The car is definitely fast. I think it's definitely gonna come close to the Koenigsegg, at least, if it doesn't beat it. Alright, where's the Koenigsegg? Okay, let's replace this car. Oh, this was meant to be for another video. Alright, it's okay. There you guys go. You guys can see my back customs. Hope you guys like that. Anyways, let's check the Koenigsegg time. Alright, 1500 horsepower, 261 top speed, 2.4 seconds 0 to 60, 8.97 seconds quarter mile. Alright, 1000 horsepower, 235, 2.23, and 8.93. I think this car is faster with the 0 to 60 plus quarter mile. Unfortunately, obviously the Koenigsegg has a higher top speed and a lot more power. But as you can see from there, I think this car is pretty much a hypercar killer now. Alright, let's go test this out. Show you. Alright guys, we're at the race spot. Okay, we're just gonna do one. I realize we should just do one race instead of multiple, just to keep the video short. And yeah. Time to win. guys, I think that proves it. We did beat Invincible, or Huracan and Audi R8. Some pretty fast cars. I think this proves that this is at the very least supercar killer. Maybe not hypercar just yet, but definitely a supercar killer easily, as they mop the floor with these other cars. So alright, that's about the video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you want to see next.